everyone, I'm Ellen Wieczorek, and I'm working on my Master's in Wildlife Conservation and Management, in addition to working on a graduate certificate in Environmental Geographic Information Science. Conservation Ecology was my favorite class because Rebecca Means was a thought-provoking teacher. She brought up different concepts and ideas that made her students think outside the box. She challenged all the students in our class to expand their worldviews, ideas, and beliefs. She kept the discussion boards active and continually encouraged students to talk to each other instead of simply responding to prompts. The homework was tough, but useful to me in my current field of zookeeping. During this course, she also gave a presentation regarding her own conservation work with newts. Having a teacher working in the field during this course was really intriguing experience because she could give us real-life examples. The content in this course was amazing. I feel like it was really relevant to what I needed to know, and it was straight to the point and kept me wanting more.